Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove a person from any photo using Snapseed. So let's get started. So this process works for both iOS and Android. So if you want to remove a person, but not only a person, if you want to remove an item or anything from your scene, what you can do is just simply open up your Snapseed application. So you can find this application in your Play Store, you can download it from there. And after downloading your Snapseed, just open up your Snapseed application and then tap on this plus icon. And after tapping on that plus icon, now what you have to do is now you have to import the image that you would like to edit. So for example, I'll edit this image. So what I'll do is I'll just remove that high text which you can find in my image. So to remove that, tap on tools. After tapping on tools, just tap on double exposure. So here you can find this option which is double exposure. Just tap on it. After tapping on double exposure, now you have to import an image. So what you have to do is just tap on this image icon which is on the bottom of your scene. Just tap on image and then export the same image. So after exporting that same image, now what you can do is you can adjust that image. So what you have to do is just adjust it so that the both are besides each other. So my text, and if it's a person, so that person should be beside each other in this way. So after doing that, now you have to change your opacity. So just tap on this option which is opacity. After tapping on that, now you can just simply turn it all the way up and then tap on tick. After tapping on the tick icon, now what you have to do is in the top of your screen you can find edit stack. So just tap on edit stack. After tapping on edit stack, now you have to tap on view details. After tapping on view details, in the bottom right side you will find double exposure. Just tap on it and then tap on this pencil icon, and now you just have to rub over the image or the problem that you are facing in your image. So after doing that, now what you can do is just simply tap on this tick icon which is on the bottom right corner, and after doing that, here you can see you have removed that image and hidden it. So there is some artifact, so if you want to remove that, what you can do is just simply come back, and after coming back, now you have to tap on tools, and now we can heal it by tapping on this option which is healing. So just tap on healing, and now you have to just rub over the artifact that you are seeing. And after doing that, here you can see guys, I've successfully removed that from my scene. So that's it guys, this is how to remove a person from a photo using Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.